Hello viewers, hope that all of you are well. I'm now on the Teesta Railway Bridge. The bridge is very old. Teesta Railway Bridge, which is located in Lalmonira district of Rangpur division. You can see the fantastic scene of Teesta Bridge. The bridge is very old. Okay. Many of people come here to see the natural beauties of the Teesta River. বন্ধুরা, তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ আমি এখন তিস্তা ব্রিজে। এটা হচ্ছে তিস্তার পুরাতন ব্রিজ। Especially during some festival like Eid Puja, Pahla Boishakh, and many other special days. Many people visit here to see the fantastic scene of Tista River. খুবই সুন্দর তিস্তা ব্রিজ। এখন বর্ষাকাল, viewers, you can see there's a lot of water. There's a full of water in the river. The river is full of water now. Actually, it's a fresh morning. That's a fantastic morning now. Actually, I often come here with my friends, but today I came here alone. Friends, wow, the fantastic scene of this Teesta railway bridge. Viewers, you can also visit here to enjoy a lots of. Okay, my dear friends. Oh, wow. তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ এখানে অনেক পানি তিস্তা নদীতে, অনেক পানি। এখানে পানির সাথে অনেক গাছপালা ভেসে আসতেছে। I have views to see the Tista river. Wow. I'm very excited and feel worried sometimes because when the train will come here, it's very risky, friends. So দেখো তোমরা বিশাল এক রেলওয়ে রেলওয়ে ব্রিজ। সত্যি সত্যি খুব অসাধারণ, খুবই অসাধারণ। Actually, friends, if you want to speak in English properly, you must practice more and more, like me. It's my desire. If I were a if I were a butterfly, I would have flown over the Testa River. Wow. Viewers, actually practicing English is very important of every person life because English is an important language and 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 the entire world use this language for their communicate and you have to achieve this language obviously যদি তুমি ইংলিশে কথা বলতে চাও, ইংলিশে উন্নতি করতে চাও, অনর্গল ইংলিশে কথা বলতে চাও, তাহলে তোমাকে অবশ্যই more and more practice in English and also know and also know some basic grammatical rules and lots of vocabulary test with synonym and antonym. Okay, friends, now the train is coming here on the Thesta Railway Bridge. Now it's a very risky moment. Now it's a very risky moment. আমি এখন এখন এদিকে ট্রেন আসতেছে আর আমি ব্রিজ থেকে সাইডে চলে আসছি, তোমরা দেখতে পারো ট্রেন, ওই দেখো ট্রেন আসতেছে। Some fish friends, you can see some fishermen are catching fish now. Okay, that's a fantastic moment now. Actually, I've used to see the fantastic scene and taste a river. Wow, wow, that's a fantastic natural scene. Okay, viewers, see you next. Bye.